How do courtroom opening statements work? Have you ever wondered what happens at the very start of a courtroom trial? One of the first things you will hear is the opening statement. This is a key moment where each party's lawyer gets to speak directly to the jury or judge. It happens before any evidence is presented, setting the stage for what is to come. The opening statement is the first chance for lawyers to give a clear and organized preview of their case. The party who has the burden of proof, usually the plaintiff in civil cases or the prosecution in criminal cases, goes first. This means they have to prove their claims during the trial. During the opening statement, the lawyer introduces the parties involved in the case. They outline the main issues that are in dispute and provide a concise overview of the facts and evidence that will be presented. This helps the jury understand what to expect throughout the trial. Think of the opening statement as a roadmap. It guides the jury through the evidence they will hear later on. The lawyer explains how the facts relate to their claims or defenses without arguing the facts or asking the jury to make judgments at this point. Opening statements are structured to cover several important points. First, the attorneys and their clients are introduced. Next, the key facts and events are presented from the viewpoint of the party making the statement. The lawyer also explains the burden of proof and what must be established to win the case. Additionally, the lawyer identifies the witnesses who are expected to testify and the evidence they will provide. This helps the jury know who to listen for and what to pay attention to. The tone and theme of the case are set in a clear and straightforward manner. It is important to note that lawyers do not make legal arguments or ask the jury to draw conclusions during opening statements. Those elements come later in closing arguments after all evidence has been presented. Sometimes, the defense may choose to skip their opening statement to keep their strategy flexible. Overall, courtroom opening statements play a foundational role in the trial phase. They help orient the jury, establish credibility, and lay out a factual narrative that will be supported by evidence as the trial progresses. This ensures that jurors have a clear understanding of the case before they hear the detailed examination of evidence.